In this video, I will be showing you the step-by-step process of how I created this music cover art with just my smartphone using the Pixellab app on my smartphone. But before we dive into the video, if you are a new viewer, please click on the subscribe button and put on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload new and amazing video. And as for the returning viewers, thank you, I really appreciate. Without any further ado, let's dive into the video. So yeah, the first thing in creating this music cover art is setting the size of the design. So the size of this design of this music cover art is the default size of Pixellab, which is 1280 by 1280. The width is 1280 and the height is 1280, which is the default size of Pixellab. Moving on creating this music cover art is importing the background, which will be used in creating the music cover design. So now the next thing is importing. So I've mentioned this, I've said this a lot in my past videos, that whenever you want to import a background into your Pixellab app, don't use this plus icon using from gallery. Instead, you click on these three dots here, the one by the right hand side, the one on the top. So after clicking on this dot, you click on use image from gallery. Importing your background like this help maintain the resolution of your image, of your background. So then you click on use image from gallery. Now I'm going to locate the folder where I have the background. So yeah, then click on it. So this is the background which will be used in creating the music cover art. So moving on the design is importing the artist image, the singer of the song which the cover is being designed for the artist. So the next thing is importing the artist image. So yeah, all the resources used in this video, the link to download them will be in the video description and in the pinned comment, so you can download from there. So now the artist image. So yeah, this is the artist image. So yeah, I will just place this, I will place this here, so it will be placed at the center like this. Then moving on the design is creating a fading gradient. So to correct your fading gradient, you just have to move to shape. Once you click on shape, you have this square shape on your screen. You resize it to your own taste, to your choice. So all you just have to do is to resize the shape to your own choice. So after resizing the shape like this, you move down under the shape LD thing. You scroll down like this, then you will see color. Then you change it to gradient. Now to create a gradient color, you just click on this plus icon. Then the one on top, if you are creating the fading gradient for the upper hand, you have to change this to you have to change this one, you have to change it to no color, colorless. You have to make it transparent. And if we are creating for the lower hand, we have to make this transparent. So now we are creating for the lower hand, the fading gradient will be at the top. So now we have to change this to transparent, this one. So after selecting this, you just have to click on this color icon here. Then this on the third, the one on top like this, on the third line like this, you slide it down, then you click on OK, and this one will be changed to black. So this will be black. So just like this, we create the fading gradient. So just like this, we create the fading gradient. So I will just place this here, copy it again, I will place this here, copy it again, I will place this here like this. So then moving on this, I will be creating the title of the song, the title of the album, of the song the cover is being designed for. Then I will have to move to text, new text. Then this will be new in. Then I will have to move to font to change the font. The name of the font used in creating this is 𝗧𝗲𝗵𝗵𝗺. It is a Pixellab default font. It is available in Pixellab. Probably it is not available in the Pixellab from Play Store or other version of Pixellab, but it is available in the Pixellab BG, the version, one of the pro version of Pixellab. I will be putting the link to download the Pixellab in the video description, so you can download the Pixellab using the link in the video description. So yeah, I will have to change the font. This is the font which will be used in creating the title of the song. So this I will place this here. I will place this here. If you look at this where we have n at the beginning and at the end where we have n, it is not showing where. So we just have to move to padding. Once you have your text not showing where like this, move to padding, increase the left padding if it is from the left hand side, and if it is from the right hand side, we'll increase the right padding as well. So just like this, you can see the word is now showing completely. Then moving on the design is creating the other title. So while I'm still using the same font, I will just copy this and edit it into another text. So this will be 𝗀. So the title of the song is New in 𝗀. So I will just copy this and place this here. Then instead of now after creating this, I will be texturing this with an image. So I will move to this. I will move to texture here. Click on this. Then I will texture it with a particular image. Then I will texture it with this image. So just like this, I'm going to texture it. Now the next thing I'll be doing is creating the artist name. The artist are the singer, the person that sang the song. I will be placing the name on the top like this. So just like this, 𝗪𝗛𝗹𝗏𝗺. So that is the name of the singer. So just like this, and I will be changing the font. The font of this, I will be changing it. The font used for this is 𝗪𝗛𝗹𝗏𝗺 black. So yeah, reduce the size of this and increase the spacing. I will increase the spacing and place it at the center. At the center here. Then the platform where the song can be streamed, where the song is available. So I will just put all the names of the platform. Their logos will be placed under the title of the song, under the title here. So platform like Audiomack, Apple Music, Boomplay. So I will just have to import the logo for all these platforms. So here we have Spotify. You can see this is having background. I will just move to erase color, enable this and select black color. So this is removed now. So just like this, and I will have to reduce the size of this. Then place it here. Spotify. Move on to import another image. This is Apple Music. Then this, I will move to erase color to enable this and select the black color. So just like this, I will reduce this and place it beside Spotify here. So this will be beside Spotify here. Importing the logo for Audiomack. Yeah, just like this. Reducing the size of this and placing it beside the others here. So this will be placed beside the other logos here, and importing the one for Boomplay. Then removing the background just like we've been doing earlier. So I will just reduce the size for this as well, then place it beside the other logos, and we will be placing all the logos at the center. So doing this is to show the platform on which the backgrounds, on which the music can be streamed. This is to show the platform on which the music can be streamed. So if you find this video, you find it helpful, if you find it inspiring for your next design, please don't forget to like and subscribe on the YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.